Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. I love to eat a salad every day, and I also like to try new recipes and switch it up once in a while. So I've seen this viral video go around online of this green goddess salad recipe. I had to try it out. I loved it, I did it, and I switched up a few ingredients, and I want to share my version with you today. Of course, I'm using some Herbamare to season it all, and what I love about this salad is that it's made with cabbage instead of lettuce. It's crunchy, it's very savory, and it's full of nutrients. So let's start. So I love that the base of this recipe is not actually some kind of lettuce, but we're rather using some green cabbage. It's super crunchy, it's different, and it's very tasty. So I'm cutting it up into small cubes, or rather dicing it, and adding it to my bowl. I'm also adding 1 English cucumber, and then in another bowl, I'm preparing my tofu. So I'm using smoked tofu today. I just love the flavor of smoked tofu. I added to that some liquid coconut aminos, mixing that all up together, and then I'm just gonna cook it a little bit in a pan with some avocado or coconut oil just for a few minutes. Really love the flavor that this adds to the green goddess salad. So mix all those ingredients together. You can add some green onions in there if you wanted to, or any kind of other vegetable. For the sauce, we're adding some garlic, some fresh basil leaves. We can put other fresh herbs if you wanted to. I'm adding some spinach, a handful of almonds, raw almonds, 1 avocado. It's going to be really creamy and good. Some olive oil, a splash of apple cider vinegar, of course, some Herbamare to season it. And just to help it blend all together, a little bit of water. And then you simply just start it and make sure you get this creamy texture, no big clumps. Voila. So the dressing is ready, and this tastes amazing. It's so flavorful. The mix of the textures and the flavors is really, really good. So you just mix that all up together, and it'll last for a few days in the fridge, which is really good. You can eat that with crackers or just as is. Really one of my go-to salads lately. Hope you guys enjoyed.